Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to have another unboxing. So these products are sent to us by Lifestrong Hairfix. Super thankful. I'm super excited to share to you guys. By the way, you know naman if any product review na ginawa natin sa channel na to, all of my opinions are coming from me and honest and ano talaga yung nafe-feel ko and na-experience ko all throughout the review. By the way, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And today, maybe you're wondering why is it that I'm wearing this cup. So, kasi meron tayong i-reveal mamaya kasi ginamit ko na yung product gahapon dumating siya kasi in-unbox ko agad-agad. And because I'm super excited and then ginamit ko siya last night and then ngayon na naman. So, without further ado, let's hop into the video. So, itong Hairfix guys, ang dami nilang pinadala. I'm super in love with, I'm super happy. Meron silang pinadala na color cream, deep brown. The application for this, directions for use is wear gloves thoroughly, mix the Hairfix color cream and Hairfix oxidizing lotion 12%, match 1.1 equally. Next is using a combo or brush applicator, apply the Hairfix color cream mixture onto dry hair. Start with the roots or gray areas of the hair. Spread the mixture evenly to the desired areas of your hair. Do not massage the mixture on your scalp. Leave 20 to 30 minutes for previously colored hair and rinse. Leave 20 to 30 minutes for virgin hair and 15 to 20 minutes for previously colored hair. Rinse thoroughly with water to wash off the excess mixture. So by the way guys, I used the color cream 3.8 golden brown blonde and the 12% oxidizing lotion. Ito siya. Yan. And of course, ito na ang ating big reveal. Tada! Grabe! Ilalagay ko dito yung before and ito na yung after. As you can see, ang dami kong mga white hair na and it really paid off kasi nawala yung white hair ko. And I'm super happy because mostly sa mga ganitong mga hair color, hindi ako nag-expect na talagang opaque yung ano niya unless bleach yung hair ko. But then, this product really surprised me kasi nag-color talaga siya guys without any bleach. Though ito na part na to, naka-bleach to ng konti. But then, as you can see ito, virgin. Ito rin dito, tumubo na siya. And then, ang color talaga, super opaque niya. Nilive ko lang siya ng 30 minutes. So, I love it. On my experience ha, mostly allergy ako sa mga hair color. And this Hairfix, hindi ako allergy. And wala siyang strong smell. And after using it, hindi malagkit yung hair ko. And most especially, hindi siya dry. And then, the next day, ngayong morning, ginamitan ko siya ng hair treatment. Nandun yung isa kasi dalawa kasi to. Hair treatment. And it adds up with the soft. Hindi ako nag-shampoo. Ano lang. Ito lang ginamit ko muna kasi para magstay talaga yung color. And what's good about this guys, gusto ko siya kasi hindi ako nagpapalpitate. Hindi ako allergy, and then super ganda niya, color payoff, maganda, and available siya sa 800 plus stores nationwide. Alam nyo ba guys, if gusto niyo mag-shopping ng physical or online store, they have Hairfix Lifestrong products. You can find it on Watson, and you can sa SM, meron ding Watson, di ba? Marami ding Watson stores dito kung saan-saan. So, you can buy them there. And at the same time, pwede nyo ring i-add to cart online sa Watson online shop. And of course, if online nga, meron ding Shopee at Lazada. Oh, Buddha. Okay. Shopee at Lazada. And if you want to visit naman, merong SM beauty section. Meron sila doon. Yung mga talagang nabubudol pag pupunta ng mga SM store. And don't worry, if ayaw nyo naman pumunta sa SM store, meron din silang online platform. So, ilalagay ko dito yung mga names ng online and I'm going to place the link on the description box. So, check them out. I super highly, if gusto nyo namang magkulay, change color, but I suggest, wag yung dire-diretso. Give it, if you want to change color, give it, for me, 3 weeks interval. Yes, this is just my own experience, 3 weeks interval. If bleach naman, wag 3 weeks, mga 1 month interval. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Personally ha, ewan ko sa inyo. And this products really works for me. And I'm not saying that it works for me. It also works for you. Iba-iba tayo. Mga sensitivity natin, iba-iba talaga guys. But for me, this really works and I super love it. And the price are reasonable, affordable. So, talagang ano siya guys, pangmasa. So, grab the opportunity and check it online and also physical store. Lifestrong Hairfix. Thank you so much Lifestrong for sending these products. Again, alam nyo naman if merong magpapadala sa atin, I always say what I have to say, even if bad or ano. But, I'm going to tell my honest opinion about it. So, thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now, Saranghe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Saranghe, bye!